Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafi's Unique Creations. A very happy Holi to all my dear viewers. So today on this account of Holi, we will be creating this 3D pop-up letters card. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the tutorial. For the materials, we'll be requiring two colored papers, any color of your choice, a white color paper, or you can also take a multicolor instead of the white. Uh, Here I've taken the stencils, glue, scissors, a pencil, a ruler, eraser, a blade, or you can also use a scissor instead of a blade. And I've got some colored pencils to color the white paper. So let's start with the method. Here I've taken these two colored papers. The yellow color paper is a A4 size paper, and the blue color was a A4 size paper, which from the borders I have cut 1.5 centimeter. So we are going to stick this in the middle. Now since this is stuck, I'm going to fold it. Now here I've got this white piece of paper. This is also A4 size, and I'm going to color it into multicolor shading. If you have taken a colorful paper, that's well and good. Now after coloring this, we are going to use these stencils and write the letters Happy Holi. So as you can see, I have already written it, and you can take the color accordingly. Like I wanted the eye over here since I wanted these two colors, and since there was no space out here, so I've taken the eye here. Now once you have finished writing this, for every letter, the last edge from there we'll mark at 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. We'll do this for every letter. Now in the same manner, at the top, we'll mark at 1.5 centimeter. And from that 1.5 centimeter, we'll again mark at 1 centimeter. As you can see, it should look something like this. And now on the borders, I'm going to cut it out. For the inner parts, you can use a blade. Now here I've I've got these letters which are cut. I also cut the middle parts. Now I'm going to fold on the lines that we had marked. We'll do this for all the letters.
If you like my video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more notifications.
So now all the letters, I folded these. Now one by one, let's start sticking the letters on this. So I am sticking glue on the back side, the last portion of the extended portion, and below both the portions of the extended portion. So one will go on the base. And the other on the wall. Like this. So this is 3D. So here I've stuck it. Happy Holi card is ready.